Hello and welcome for the first flight for the Aston Martin Valkyrie. So in this event, it's a recommended PR event, and I've done few upgrades as well. So just for starters, I'm going to try to get this as low as possible, and also I'm going to make a playlist link in the description. So before I start talking, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, share this to your friends also. And I just had a oopsie there at the last I think the second corner. Okay, so that's enough self advertising, let's go. So first of all, this car, the Valkyrie, sorry if I had an accent, it's so sick, it looks so good. I mean, look at the inside, it's so nice. And since this is a special event, it's an old timey special event, so you know that you will have to do bot slowing. So in order to, no sorry, not exactly bot slowing, bot management, in which you don't have to do more than you require to, or you need to finish last in cup races for that, so that your targets can be low and you can get this car for as low as possible. So here what I did was I was wasting time and I went off the track, and then I tried to I paused it because because I didn't want to bore you all, and I drove backwards because I didn't fit the speed limit and I was in the wrong position. So I drove backwards, I think till the end of Luffields. Yeah, I drove till the end of Luffields and the entry of Woodcote. So, and from there I did the finished off the speed limit, and this car just looks sick, man. How much should I tell? It looks so good, and its stats are crazy for a production car, that too. It's so good. Okay, so this was a pretty easy one, stage one. It's very easy, and instant servicing is really nothing now. So I'm now recording with another new screen recorder, and I'm using Power Director for the first time, editing software. So for most of this one, I will be racing in the cockpit view. So in the next stage, I will drive full on in the normal chase view, and in this one, we just need to get an average speed. And I don't think that's too hard to keep. You can slow down a bit. There are other ways you can do this average speed goal, but I think I'll just slow down a bit. I didn't take that full throttle. I should have taken it full throttle because I saw some guys were taking that full throttle. I know it's my bad. I mean, I'm just driving it first time, and I am much of a newbie to this game. Not really a newbie, I'm level 84, so not really a newbie, but yeah, I'm just trying to get to know this car. So now I've got to know that I can take that full throttle, and I'm just slowing down on purpose so that I don't win with too much. That's an important thing in this special events, because when you try to go with the least upgrade possible, it will just you will go above recommended PR, so below recommended PR, and then you won't be able to do bot slowing. So that's why this bot management technique is so important, otherwise you'll just get very hard. So here I am not in the Canada or the US time zone. I'll have to wait till tomorrow, but I will do some I'll do some time zone switching here and there, so maybe I can get stage 2 as early to you as possible. And here we just need to overtake the unknown driver, which is, for spoilers, it is actually Ahmed. So sorry. So yeah, and also I love this one. We could do drafting. Yes, I love that. And so for this goal, what you need to do is don't overtake the unknown driver until the final corner, and you will see. He was so slow. This Valkyrie is so fast and he's driving it so terribly. It looked very good, and I hope EA and Fire Monkeys get the Valhalla also, which is called the Son of the Valkyrie. I hope they get that one as well because that also looks very sick. And here, look at this. What happened here? I was shoving this unknown driver so that he can get out of my way, and then I'll do this. Yeah, that was funny. Next one. So you may encounter some ads over here. I'm sorry for that, and I hope I don't get copyrighted for that. So here you saw just now it was Ahmed who was that unknown driver. So in this one we need to tailgate Ahmed for 35 seconds without overtaking him or damaging your car. So just not to get too aggressive, and you just do this normally. I don't want you all to drag it out, because anyways when you finish this much draft tailgating, then it will be already the final corner or Luffields or woodcut, whatever. So you don't really need to drag it out. You can if you want to, but may end up hurting you. And so here we look as I'm fumbling through this corner, and I've done this easy stage, not too hard. So as I said before, stage 2 will come as soon as I possibly can give you all. Thank you all for joining me. Sorry for this ad. So thank you for joining me. So here are the rewards. I'll add everything up. So thank you. Once again, subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.